Welcome back to the channel. Trader Jan speaking. I'm doing the market analysis for the 11th of December 2025, looking at the overall market tendency. I would say, on the daily chart, this one gonna be a quite interesting day today because it's has been this area where we are right now has been rejected quite some time in the days before and even weeks before. So yesterday as well. And then if we look at the bottom here, so this is going to be either a range, or if the market goes up, then we're going to be in the long trend. If it goes down here, we're going to be more short. In between here, I would say everything is possible. I need to then see what the actual day going to bring. Looking at the locations, let's show the locations which we have defined so far. There have been pretty good, if I remember right, from the review of the trading day of the 10th of December. For sure, there is a certain risk that this huge jump of the previous trading day gonna be met with some profit taking. So if I look at our locations, here we are currently kind of inside those locations here. So I would extend that location here to the volume which has been printed here at the end of the previous trading day. Then this one here might still be relevant. The market just rushed through here, so I would keep that one here. If that one gonna be another support again, here I would keep that one as well. And that one here, because the actual, this one, I would say move a little bit more higher up here and checking what's gonna happen when I'm now at the moment looking at this high volume zone here. And then if the market goes to low volume here again, now from that perspective, it goes from low volume into a higher volume. So there is a reaction, in my eyes, a potential reaction to be expected. And since the last volume is always the more speaking one, so I better put it more here where the volume gets a little bit thicker. Now I would define looking at the data from the day before, I would define this one here as a location because it gets pretty much thin underneath here. So this one I would even remove. We are gonna have this one here more as a, let's say, range area, I would say, but with reactions on these corners here. And now let's look at this area here. I would say here we define another one where here on the left side here we have quite some high volume here, even though the market was not that it has been built quite at the end of the market or around lunchtime here. That's what I see with my indicator here, when that volume actually has been created. And it was around lunchtime here. The market reacted here, and here the market went down here to that level as well. So those are the locations. That's my preparation for the 11s. In terms of trend, if the market catches up on the current move, then for sure long. I would only go long once the market goes above, breaks that's daily high from yesterday, and otherwise everything in between is possible. Then let's conclude that one and see you on the trading floor.